Okay, so next question we have is, for a distribution of 10 observation, the summation of xi is given as 55 and the summation of xi square is given as 328. If observation 5 and 4 are replaced by 6 and 8 respectively, then the new variance is. So the question is saying the summation of xi is actually equal to 55 and the summation of xi square, and how many observation we have? We have 10 observation. And there are two observations which are replaced. So the replaced observation are 5 and 4 and that is being replaced by 6 and 8. So the new variance we have to find. So we have to find the new variance. Okay. So just see, if the summation of xi is actually given as 55, but the new xi summation if I have to find, I will do what? Summation of xi is equal to the new summation of xi will be actually 55 minus whatever has to be replaced, 5 and 4. So I will write here 5 plus 4, and in addition we are doing 6 plus 8. 6 plus 8. So this will actually become 5, 9 and 14 minus 9. So this will be an increment of 6. So this will actually become 60. 5 increment it will have, 14 increased, 9 decreased, so it will be 60. Now next thing that is given is summation of xi square is given as 328. Now the new summation of xi square, I am writing as, denoting it as new summation of xi square, correct? So this will be actually what? 328 minus the 5 square plus 4 square and addition of 6 square plus 8 square. Now previous two we are subtracting and the new ones we are adding. Now this will become actually what? 328 minus, we know this is 25 plus 16 and this will become 36 plus 64. Now this could be written as 328 minus 41 and plus 36 plus 64 is simply 100, right? Now this will become how much? 300 and actually we are doing like this, 328 minus, better don't do minus, it will become 100 minus 41. So 100 minus, it will become the increment of, actually we can do from here 100 minus 41. So the increment will be 59 and this will become 9 at 7, 387, correct? So the increment we will have of 59 and 328 plus 59, this will become 387. Now we will simply apply the variance formula. So variance formula will look like this: xi upon xi square upon n, and n is the total number of observation, minus whatever is the given as xi upon n. So xi upon n is what? 60 upon 10. Xi upon n is 60 upon 10. So this will become 387, and 387 divided by 10 minus 60 divided by 10 is 6. So this will become xi. Okay. So actually wait. The number is 60 divided by 10 and there should be a square. 60 divided by 10 square, right? So this will come as 6 and this will become 6 square. So this will actually become what? Or we can write 38.7. This will come as 38.7 minus 36 and finally it will become what? 38.7. This will become 2.7. So the option that is correct is 2.7, right? So we have just applied the variance formula as xi square upon n, and that is xi upon n square, right? So this will come as 6 square is 36. So we have subtracted 38.7 minus 36 and the final answer will come as 2.7. So option B will be the correct option.